So raise your hand if you received an email from good old Robinhood saying, look, we can match your Roth IRA. 1%. And I know some of you guys are wondering, like, how does that work? What is 1%? Because I was thinking the same damn thing. We're about to find that out on this video. So let's do it. All right, Robinhood. You just go to Robinhood. And I want to do some call options today, but I didn't want to deposit no money in there. But I might do some tomorrow. I might do $1,000 call option. Let me know if y'all want to see that. Okay. So you see it say get the only IRA. I can't even speak today. Introducing Robinhood Retirement. Get the only IRA with a 1% match. No employer necessary. A lot of these you don't need an employer, but it make it sound good. Get early access. Oh shoot, I don't know if I'm supposed to click that. Let's see. Okay, say the only IRA with a match. Get 1% match, no employer necessary, a recommendation, and no commission fees limit. Get early access. All right, so let's move over. And this is going to give us all our frequently asked questions and get answered. How to earn? No. Here we go. Frequently asked questions. I knew I could find it. First thing we want to know, what is an IRA match? Break it down to a player. IRA match is an extra 1% that Robinhood's add to your IRA for making eligible contributions. Is not only counted towards your annual contribution limits and is typically available to invest immediately. So I guess they are giving you extra additional money, and this money is going to go towards your investment account instead of going into your IRA account. Anybody don't understand what IRA, just think of tax-free money that can be maxed out every single year, and you basically your job do it. But if you don't get no job, you need to do it yourself. IRA contribution limits set by the IRS for 2022. These changes every year. If you are under the age of 50 like me, the most you can invest in here is $6,000. That's the maximum. And which means 1% of $6,000 is $60. So the most I can make with this match is an extra $60. If you're watching this and you're over the age of 50, $7,000 the most you can do, and the most you can earn extra is $70. So the first thing you're wondering, Lando, is it worth it? I will answer that at the end of the video, as long as you hit the subscribe button and the like button. But we're going to keep on going. Which contributions are eligible to earn the match? You just link up your bank account and you just add some money over there. Does the IRA match count towards my annual IRA contribution limit? No. What does it mean by that? I think they basically mean if they said it's a maximum of $6,000, but if you have $5,940, you like, yo, I do that, and it will match 60, well, however the numbers that come out. It don't work like that, basically. That's why I said I think that money is just going to go extra. Can I earn IRA match both prior years? Yes. Is a Robinhood IRA match the same as an employer 401k match? No, they are different, but it's the same concept. Can I earn IRA match less than $1? No, it have to be $1. Do I get to keep the money I match if I withdraw my money from the IRA? That's a great question. They saying you have to hold it 5 years. So if you plan on doing this and you want that money, plan to keep your money here for 5 whole years. They give you, for example, if you contribute $1,000 and earn $10 for the match on July 1st, 2025, you can withdraw to all June 1st, 2030, and you're good. But if you do it before less than, you're going to have to pay a small fee. That's basically whatever you put in. They did an example right here, which is $8. So it really depends. You can break down right here exactly how it works. So I don't want this video to be too much of a long video, but let's see. If I wanted to get early access, what you have to do. Check. Okay, you're on a list for retirement. Want to skip the line? get off the list. Any of your friends, invite, join, wait list, include. So you guys, so I can jump the list, you have to click whatever this link is I put at the end of the bio. Look, I just received this. That link I put at the end of the bio. I need you guys to click that link, get some free crypto and stocks with them, and invite friends. That's what I'm going to do. Sneak peek, what you're going to get, personalized. All right, that good stuff. Now y'all want to know, Orlando, is it worth it? Should I do it? Me personally, I'm going to say no. Reason being, when you are investing in your IRA, not a financial advisor, you want to put your money with a company that you feel would be here 20 years plus down the line. Robinhood is doing better over the last few months. I don't like Robinhood for the last few years. I wouldn't put my trust in Robinhood with my retirement if all hell break loose, because the last time I checked one of their earnings, majority of their money come in from cryptocurrency. And if cryptocurrency go to hell, that can be a lot percentage of your money. If you file bankruptcy, I don't know how it works. It's not worth it. You can do it with Merrill Lynch. You can do it with Vanguard. You can do it with a powerful company that's been here forever. And it's worth having that security blanket versus the extra $60 or $70. That's my own personal opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you are doing it and all that good stuff, shout out to Robinhood.